It's getting all the stuff picked off the inner fender on this side. You don't need to worry about the cord showing in the tire. It's a junk tire anyway. I'd never run that on the road. The inner fender's over there. It's all gacked up. It won't be able to be reused. Looks like I need to get. I guess I need to get the power steering crap all cut off. I'll just unscrew it there. That's the coil. It is actually sitting a little. It actually bent this piece, the twin I-beam. It's actually bent back, which therefore when it got bent, it bent that piece of the suspension into like a horseshoe shape. The shock may be bent, but I could be wrong. It's just this end up here. I could bend that back easily. This is the main plug for everything. Yeah, once I unconnect that and get all this rest of this stuff, get the brake lines, I don't necessarily have to have the brake lines undone to get the engine out, but I'm going to pull the cab off and then take the engine out. So we'll have to pull out that shifter and snip that drive shaft out. We'll snip it off. Well, we'll have to snip it off back there, and then we'll have to pull out the end of the tail shaft out of it, and then pull body mounts. And to pick it up, we'll just leave those on. Let them, no, I'm just kidding. I'm not going to break those. I'll just peel them loose and leave them off. Run boards through the other side, oak boards or whatever. Run them through. Take the loader, pick the cab up off the frame. Fold the old mirrors back. I'm recording with my phone. So I got the part of the wiring harness that actually goes up and over the rad support. So we'll probably take off this inner fender off of it. Oh, what the heck is that muffler doing under there? Weird. I didn't remember that being under there. But yeah, should be able to pick that off of there maybe even this weekend. Pick the cab off. Well, I guess that really didn't need to be unhooked, did it? Get on my eye, you stupid gnats. So yeah, and this is like the glow plug start seal out. I don't know what to name that. Actually, let's see, I wrote alt on that one. Sill. Positive sill, which is solenoid. I should have wrote glow plugs on that. I'll just write glow plugs on that probably. Or no, this is glow plugs. I think part of this. Okay, yeah. It's alternating. This is for the glow plugs. Oh, got my double D there. There's a bunch of gnats around here. So yeah, I'll stick off the bottom rad hose. I don't know if that was in the last video or not. Yeah, the whole truck is like curved this way if you look at it. Frame connected that way and that way. That's because the tree, when it hit on this side after shoving everything back. The tie rod, actually, the tie rods on it may not be bent. This one for sure ain't. We'll snip off the old lines there and we'll get that out of the way. I have to get a new power steering pump pulley because this right now is a death pulley. I don't think it's got enough fluid in it. I think that probably leaked it all out. Get a torch and cut the spring off. That's a joke. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll keep updating you. Might take that cab off this weekend. Might.